it is working. Ventilation fan for kitchenette. We will share our experience how to use it. 100 mm extractor fan for setup with a switch. Guaranteed 2x. Equation. It is 15 watts maybe. Made in Ukraine. Cool.
No.
But we bought it in Cyprus. Wow, it's made in Ukraine. I'm happy with it. Let's see what we have inside. UK, Ukraine. We have manual here. We have warranty, specification. Specification is trademark equation. Model 100D. Energy consumption 15 watts average. Cool. We have fan here. We have some screws to connect it actually, and it looks like this. How to connect it to wires and to switches. Look, we need to unscrew this part, and then we need to connect it like live is here and neutral is here. Okay, this connection box. Live, neutral. And the lamp is here. Okay, I understand it. Let's go. It's here, and we need to unscrew this part. Okay, let's do it. Ta-da! Look at it. Live is here to switch. Neutral is here. Here we have connectors, and we need to connect our wires here. Maybe it doesn't matter, live or neutral. We can connect it both ways. Okay, let's do it. We need to ease the connectors. Flat one. We will do flat one here and here. Let's find our wires and try to connect it. Let's go. We will try to connect wires here. We need a screwdriver. 1 second. One is done. Here. And second one here. Oh, both are okay. Put it back. One is here. One is here. We will close it. And this. Then close it. Okay, let's try to install it. We have old one more than 1 years, and now we need to change it because it's too loud. Yeah, I need help. I will try to screw it and take cover back. It is working, but we did it better next time.